Good morning. My name is Darlene Bernie. I am 19 years old. I live in Ocaña. Study business administration. I learn Kenya. My recipe bien meal comes. Ingredients: meal traurette, Camden's meal, sugar glass. Process: 1 spot traurette meal, el nice sugar with meats. 1 Camden's meal goodness, with salad to me gyros, bows by her. Thank you.